The human skeletal system is the remarkable framework that gives our body structure, protects our vital organs, and enables us to move through the world. This incredible system serves three primary functions: providing structural support to keep us upright, protecting our delicate internal organs from injury, and working with muscles to create movement. An adult human skeleton typically consists of 206 bones. However, babies are born with around 300 bones. This difference occurs because many bones fuse together as we grow and develop from infancy to adulthood. The skeletal system is divided into two main parts. The axial skeleton forms the central axis of the body and includes the skull, vertebral column, and rib cage. The appendicular skeleton includes all the limbs, our arms and legs, along with the shoulder and pelvic girdles that attach them to the axial skeleton. This division is responsible for movement and locomotion. The skeletal system is absolutely essential for our overall health and mobility. Without it, we couldn't maintain posture, move around, or protect our vital organs from damage. The skeletal system isn't just bones. It also includes cartilage that cushions our joints, ligaments that connect bones together, and tendons that attach muscles to bones. These components work together to enable smooth joint function and coordinated movement. Understanding the skeletal system is fundamental to appreciating how our bodies work. This amazing framework supports us every moment of every day, making all our movements and activities possible. The skeletal system performs 6 critical functions that are essential for human life and activity. These functions work together to maintain our body's structure and support vital biological processes. First, the skeleton provides structural support, acting as a rigid framework that gives our body its shape and allows us to stand upright against gravity. Second, bones enable movement by providing attachment points for muscles. When muscles contract, they pull on bones to create motion at joints. Third, bones protect vital organs. The skull protects the brain, the rib cage shields the heart and lungs, and the vertebrae safeguard the spinal cord. The fourth function is hematopoiesis, the production of blood cells in bone marrow. Red bone marrow creates red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets that are essential for oxygen transport, immune defense, and blood clotting. Fifth, bones serve as mineral storage sites, particularly for calcium and phosphorus. These minerals can be released into the bloodstream when needed for various bodily functions. Finally, bones function as endocrine organs, releasing hormones like osteocalcin that help regulate blood sugar and energy metabolism throughout the body. Now let's examine the detailed structure of a typical bone. Each bone has 4 main components that work together to provide strength, flexibility, and biological function. The periosteum is the tough outer membrane that covers the bone surface. It contains blood vessels and nerves that nourish the bone and enable growth and repair. Compact bone forms the dense, hard outer layer that provides most of the bone's strength. It's organized in circular units called osteons that contain blood vessels and nerve fibers. Spongy bone, also called cancellous bone, has a honeycomb-like structure with spaces filled with bone marrow. This design makes bones lighter while maintaining strength. Bone marrow fills the spaces within spongy bone and the central cavity. Red marrow produces blood cells, while yellow marrow stores fat and can convert to red marrow when needed. The human skeleton contains 5 different types of bones, each with a unique shape and function suited to its specific role in the body. Long bones like the femur in your thigh are longer than they are wide and serve as levers for movement. They have a shaft called the diaphysis and expanded ends called epiphyses. Short bones, found in the wrists and ankles, are roughly cube-shaped and provide stability and support with limited movement. Flat bones, like those in the skull and ribs, are thin and curved. They protect organs and provide large surface areas for muscle attachment. Irregular bones have complex shapes that don't fit other categories. Vertebrae are perfect examples, with specialized structures for protecting the spinal cord. Sesamoid bones, like the patella or kneecap, develop within tendons and help protect them from stress, while improving mechanical advantage. The skeletal system is truly remarkable in its complexity and efficiency. Through its multiple functions and specialized structures, it maintains life, enables movement, and adapts to our body's changing needs throughout our lifetime.